All right, so got my last two 90-degree fittings in. So this is the hose coming up from the bottle. Right there. Goes up, goes through right there. Comes up, goes into here. This is the purge solenoid. I still have to hook up this guy right here. So when I come over here, this used to be the button to air up my compressor for my swing arm for my air shifter, but I don't have that compressor anymore. I got rid of it. Now I will be running an outside air source. So that will be my purge. That'll be the one to shift with, and that'll be the one to clean the line out before I go. And then the second solenoid right here, that'll be the one that actually sends the nitrous into the system. I cut down the plate so I could get to all these fittings with a wrench if I need to tighten them up if they get loose without having to take the whole plate off. And you don't need all that if you don't need it. So, and then yeah, these two go to different solenoids because this is a two-stage system. I won't be running a two-stage system yet, but for right now, I still got the controller just because it's the way to go. And then yeah, that goes right in here, right into the intake. And you see in there, I got the sprayers all ready to go. So the plumbing's pretty much figured out at this point. Now I just need to do all my wiring, get everything hooked up, fill the bottles up, and then get over to the dyno. Probably be a little bit of time because I'm waiting for my fork to come back from DME, but it's all coming together.